SexyLashes.com educates its customers and readers on proper aftercare. Their advice on caring for eyelash extensions comes from the experience of a licensed esthetician and owner of Lash Santiago. Many lash studios offer hypoallergenic, cruelty-free products to avoid irritation and potential allergic reactions. When it comes to proper aftercare of eyelash extensions, we give our clients a rundown of the do's and don'ts at the end of each appointment so our clients know how to care for their lashes. Caring for lash extensions is a must to prevent any eye infections and maintain their look longer, said Lash Santiago, owner and licensed esthetician. Lash Santiago is a beauty specialist in New Jersey, offering high-quality and stylish eyelash extensions, professional makeup, waxing, and facial services. Her premier eyelash extension services have been touted as one of the best lash extension services in New Jersey. You can read the story by clicking the description link. Make sure to subscribe.